So many parents laugh and say, "Doctor, my child snores like an adult." But regular swearing in children should not be ignored. If your child snores loudly or breathes through the mouth, pauses during sleep, or sweats in night time, sleeps very restlessly and wakes up tired, it may be more than simple snoring. Sometimes it is due to enlarged tonsils or adenoids. Sometimes allergy and blocked nose makes it more worse. Sometimes sleep quality is affected without parents realizing it. A child who sleeps poorly may not always look sleepy. They may look hyperactive, cranky, they not focus in school. So please do not ignore regular snoring. It is worth getting evaluated.